Wit videos. Wit videos.
Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we are talking about one of the most essential tools in the kitchen, the mixing bowl. Mixing bowls come in all shapes and sizes, from small to large, stainless steel to glass, and everything in between. But why are they so important in the kitchen? Let's find out. One of the most common uses for mixing bowls is in baking. Whether you're making a cake, cookies, or bread, a good mixing bowl is crucial for getting the right consistency for your batter or dough. Mixing bowls are also great for meal prep. You can use them to mix ingredients for a salad, marinate meats, or store leftovers. They're also great for portioning out ingredients, making meal prep a breeze. And finally, mixing bowls can also be used as serving bowls. Their versatility and durability make them a great option for serving up pasta, salads, or even as a fruit bowl on the table. In conclusion, a mixing bowl is a must-have tool in the kitchen. Whether you're baking, meal prepping, or serving, a good mixing bowl will make your life easier and your food taste even better. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more kitchen tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.